How do you get charged with invasion of privacy? There are a number of ways to get charged with invasion of privacy. One of the most ways that we see a lot is that there was an active no contact order or protective order in place. A no contact order is usually an order that the judge basically is ordering you as a defendant on a criminal case not to have contact with certain individuals. And these individuals could be individuals you've never even heard of. Civilian witnesses, or alleged victims on the case. Sometimes they could also be people who you do know. In a lot of domestic violence cases, it could be a no contact order against your spouse or family household member, somebody who you do know. And a court could order you not to have any contact with that person. And they'll tell you, don't have any contact with them directly or indirectly, meaning don't talk to them, don't call them yourself, and don't have somebody else contact them for you. And this includes showing up to their place and talking to them, calling them on the phone, using social media to contact them and sending them texts, sending them Snapchats, going on Instagram and contacting them, even liking a post on Facebook that they're on is technically considered contact by the court. So that's a no contact order. Another thing that comes with a no contact order is you are not allowed to have any firearms, even if you're legally allowed to carry them. If you have firearms or ammunition at your home, you got to get rid of them if you have a no contact order. Technically, you're not supposed to have them under a no contact order. And no contact orders are basically statewide. Not only statewide, they're actually countrywide. It's not a situation where you have a no contact order against an individual in Indiana and then you go, okay, well, today I'm going to go to Illinois and I'll contact them from Illinois. I can't get in trouble with that. Yes, you can. It's still a no contact order. It doesn't just extend to the state of Indiana. So if you contact somebody under a no contact order or protective order, and you know about that no contact order, either you were served with a protective order or you were in open court and you were read what the no contact order was by a judge, regardless if you signed the order or not, you're on notice that there's an active no contact order. If you contact that individual, you could be charged with invasion of privacy. Now, invasion of privacy starts off as a Class A misdemeanor, carries up to 1 year in jail, a fine of up to $5,000. Invasion of privacy is also enhanceable. So if you have a misdemeanor invasion of privacy conviction and you get arrested for invasion of privacy in the future, that could be enhanced to a level 6 because you had a prior. So it's very important to not violate the no contact order or protective order because you could be charged with this offense. You have no idea how many times people mess up their own cases, domestic violence related cases or other criminal cases, by contacting people who they're not supposed to. Now, your attorney is allowed to contact witnesses, alleged victims on your behalf. So if you need to contact somebody to help in your defense, you need an attorney who will do that for you. So call us at the Marc Lopez Law Firm at 317-632-3642. And always remember, always plead the fifth.